Welcome back. It's time to say goodbye to March and make a square for April to put on our tissue box. So I've taken this little paper pad and picked out a couple of pieces of paper. I picked out this one. It's got a little checks. It's kind of a blue-green there. And then I'm going to go with this one to put the calendar on and just have a little bit darker background on it. So I'm going to glue the calendar on that, cut it out. And then I've got this little girl, Julie Nutty stamp, and I'm stamping her out and then going to re-stamp her little dress and color her up and everything and get her ready to put on there. And I also, since April has got Easter in it, I found these Easter stickers, and I'm just going to go through and pick out some Easter stickers. This one's going to be a fairly simple little calendar square, but I'm going to also ink around it, you know, ink around this and then ink around that. And let me get these cut out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the little square cut out. I've inked around it, and then I put the calendar on this little darker color just to add some contrast around that. And then I've inked around that. I got my little girl all ready with a little burgundy dress, and I'm thinking I'm going to put her somewhere in here. Also, I went through some of those stickers and I've got those cut out, and this one is just on a little banner. I thought I'd put Happy Easter up here. I'll probably cut some of that off. So that's what I'm looking at. And I was also working on another project with some fabric, which I thought was really cute. And so I'm just going to put this on the bottom for like grass. I think that will be cute. And so I'm going to stick some of these stickers in here like this. This is going to be a really quick little calendar this time. So this is what I'm thinking of doing, is putting her in here and then just add some stickers down through here and make it pretty simple. So I think that will be a cute calendar for this month. Let me get these all laid out and I'll show you what I've gotten done. Okay, while I'm doing this, I wanted to show you the easiest way to pick up some stickers. Sometimes you have problems getting stickers off the page. I usually just take a straight pen and lift up the side of the sticker like that. And then take some tweezers and pull it up. That's easier than trying to pick it off the paper, which I've done many times. So I'm just going to pick those stickers up like that with a needle or a pen. Oops, broke that one. It'll be all right. So I'm going to pick those up like that and make a row of stickers across my grass here. Oh, that one stuck to my finger. Okay, that one's okay because it's going to be down in the grass anyway. And then stick this other one. These are very sticky stickers up here. There we go. And then I'm going to have the grass up here and then her standing here. Okay, I'll finish this up and show you what I've gotten done. Well, I've got them all put together, and I just found some more of my rub-ons, and I found this one. It says Life is Love, and I put a little Easter chicken down there and an Easter basket over here. And so this is our April calendar, and I'm going to put that on my tissue box. I think I've used a lot of these tissues this last couple of months, so I'm going to have to buy a new tissue box. But to start with, we're going to just add it on here. It's a little bit thicker because I put a little bit thicker cloth on there. The fabric that I used, I thought turned out really cute. I just frayed it out and it looked like grass there. So I thought that was real cute. So there is our Easter calendar box. Thank you for watching. Bye.